2024 BMW X5 Service Resets. Okay, get you in the service menu to reset any of those service indicators that pop up. Car's running right now. We're going to turn it off. Foot off the brake. Engine start stop 3 times. Pretty quick. You'll put it in diag mode. 1, 2, 3. Diag mode will pop up right here. All right, we're in diag mode. All right, now we're going to use the BC button on the stock right here, guys. Press and hold it down until you get the service menu to pop up. Okay, it'll take at least 15 seconds. Keep holding. All right, so yellow means it's pretty much due. If we hit BC, it'll go through all the services, spark plugs, brake fluid. All right, so we are gonna do oil, okay, because that's the most common one. Now what we're gonna do is press and hold down BC, let go. Press and hold down BC for 5 seconds and let go. I actually want to reset and then press and hold it down again. And let go. And reset in progress. So it's going to be 5-second hold downs to get it to work, okay? And then you can go through and you're pretty much all done. You can start it up and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. If you could hit that like button for me and leave me a comment if you could.